Hello, assalamu alaikum friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting any update. So today we are going to discuss about the animated text, how we can animate the text. So right here, animate text in video. Okay, so I have already installed this. I'm going to open this. This already installed because I do not want to waste your time. So you can make the GIF picture, graphical interface, and also video. We have to go there. There is no something imperfect. Suppose write any text. Hi, my name. I'm just showing you demo. Okay, and we have to click here, and we can also take the pictures. Hi, this is my name. You can change the color as well, and you can change the very fantastic design. This is very good, and you can take the picture as well. Look, and you can save as a video and save as a graphical interface. Is whatever you want to do, you can do it. If you want to take picture, you can take the picture as well. And if you want to take recent picture, you can take the recent picture. Whatever you want to take, you can take easily. And if you want to delete, so you can delete. Okay friends, so do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting any update. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.